Sorry. How do I look? Do I look doctor? No, I'm not a doctor. I'm at home. I'm going to show you all my bags. Short story, long story, and parable. That's one thing I want to tell. Before you going to show you the packet books, anything that you want to tell, to show you, there's a memorable. Study pronunciation first before you go to school with a bag. English, speak English. This is the second one. The first is Jacqueline Smith. This is mosaic bag with wallet. From camera show. From camera show. And for moms wanted to go work, use a bag. For a using a bag, we're going to have a monthly period. This one for extra bag. This is called extra bag. When you have a secret monthly period, keep this one pack of napkin model inside, and then this from Japan, ukay. There's a bottles pearl. This is a Estée Lauder. Yes. Wow. 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 Bag. 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 Model of bag. A model of bag. This plastic bag. We use stocking with bag. Like going to work. This is photo album with bags. CD. This is another one bag. A Bulldog XOX, Zodiac sign, and year of XOX. And that's the mall's brand name. There's another one, Egyptian bag, Coach bag. Do you see? That's the tag, and this is the printed original. There's no imitation. Camera show. There's original already. And this is the paper bag. This one's for you, this one's for me. Do you like? I got a lot of bags. If you want to be a model or artista, you fight for it with this bag. Shoulder bag. Oh wait, there's a customer. When you have a with a customer, there should be a bag. And then original Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger. Remember Tommy Hilfiger and Estée Lauder. This another one, Tommy Hilfiger. Color blue and blue-green, color red, brown and black. That's all shoulder bags. 1, 2, 3. Count it all. 3, 4, 6. All 4 bags. You want to try one? Go, buy it me. I got a catalog of bags. If you want to buy online sell, just look at my video and then call to me. I will give you a full of bags in one catalog. Yes, that's one. If you are lucky number 8, yes, what they call lucky number 8 from Chinese Feng Shui. If you are Chinese Feng Shui master, then with a bag, you're going to able to do a showing of your bag, because they don't show their own stuff of bags. Pray rosary. So, wait, there's something wrong there. I This Germaine de Cappuccino. Germaine de Cappuccino. From Okay Okay, this is worth 300. Look, this Pope Francis. exhibition room, use a cotton bag, soft, soft bag, and wait, there's more. I got there a bag and wallet. This is a wallet, Micaela wallet. And this is me. See? That's my picture on my wallet. Money? This money, Philippine money. Tissue. Charger. Of course. There's always being charger. And this is my face is very 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 fat. Butterfly design. Full of butterfly design. And the tag is Ducky. If you are a member from a direct selling company, there's a Ducky. There's a there's also a pro membership. Natasha, I'll show you my ID. I'll show you my ID. This is my ID. Want to see? My ID. Natasha ID. MSE ID. From Hotel Resort World. And ATM. This is ATM. ATM. Resort World. This is my name. This is my sign. Signature. MSE. Natasha. The back. Contact number and then signature from a manager, branch manager, another branch manager, Michelle B. Arellano. You are a friendly friend and more friends. You can bring them at the City of Dreams Hotel. This one. City of Dreams. This is a PhilHealth ID. It's important to bring. Always remember important ID. Coin cards. Yes. That's all. We're going to do this. And this is my pie. Pan. When you get hot, sweat, summer, summertime, bring a big bag. This is a very big bag. And that's another one big. Wait. laptop bag, Samsonite. This one, color black. This is shoulder bag, like maleta. Laptop bag, sinigang ay laptop bag dito. And this is a hand carry bag. When you travel, this is no, very very tough one. This is hard, heavy bag. And then Micaela Eco bag. There's a packaging from Micaela Eco bag.